Hello everyone, today we are going to introduce a new thing, glued gasket shower hinge. First of all, this is the shower hinge we usually assemble. The gasket and the other parts are separated. So what will be the problem in the installation process? Let's have a look. When the glass is put on, you can see that the gasket on one side has moved, and you need to make the gasket on the other side coincide with the plate when you tighten the screws. How slow the installation is! Let's see how long it takes. 1 minute and 20 seconds. Now let's continue to see the glued gasket shower hinge. Take a closer look at these gaskets with a high edge, which prevents friction between the shower hinge and the glass. Let's see how to install this one. The gasket pre-glued on hinge plate. It will not move during installation. More quickly, right? It only takes 30 seconds. It shows that almost 60% of the installation time can be saved. After watching these introductions, are you impressed?
Nice.